What's up, Weisz guys? So today we are doing another one of those little mini vloggy video things. I like them, and apparently you guys do too. Wrapping myself in duct tape has been one of the more successful videos recently. So with that said, today we're gonna make our own Pantone swatches. Now you might be asking, Lewis, why would you make your own Pantone swatch booklet? A legit Pantone swatch booklet, it's like $500 or something. But the thing that's nice about a book like that is it's cool to be able to look through and see all of these various colors. I, on the side, do a little bit of design stuff. As a side hobby, I kind of just like design some clothing and stuff. There's an Instagram right here. So as a result of this, I'd really like to have some kind of a physical booklet to see all of these different colors. And so I started looking into used Pantone books and etc., and they're all so expensive. And then I had this idea, which is that there are these beautiful things at Lowe's and Home Depot called paint swatches. And the thing about the paint swatches is the paint swatches are free. So if I can scoop myself some paint swatches, I can make a free Pantone book. The tricky part is gonna be getting enough paint swatches without the Lowe's people getting wise to what I'm doing. We're just gonna go try our luck and see how we do. Car montage. Let's go to the store. Car montage. On our way to the store. Here we are, boy. Alright, so normally I just talk to you inside the store, but this time we're kind of trying to keep it on the DL. I feel like, I don't know, if someone notices me taking a bunch of cards and like filming myself taking the cards, they might be like, man, we really don't want other people getting this idea. I really want to make this booklet, and I don't want to get busted. I am now realizing that maybe if I wanted to be stealthy, I should have worn a more low-key jacket. I don't think I have ever done anything more stressful. I actually think they probably couldn't care less at all. But yeah, I got them. One of every color in the normal shades. I kinda wish I could have the other shades too. So I didn't manage to film this one, but I did get a second set in the lighter colors. Yay! Let's go over ahead and go find some bolts. I think that I'm gonna go for this guy. All right, and then personally, I'm thinking just a couple of hex nuts. Let's go check out. There you go. $1.16. That is pretty much just drill a hole in them and stick in the nuts. And we're driving back home. I think we're probably gonna be able to just drill through these and put them together. Is it beautiful? No. Did it work? Heck yes. Now, let me do the other one real quick, and then we'll be good here. Yeah, this one looks really clean. Check it out. Together, I have the full basic range of colors. As I said, these aren't really a substitute for real Pantone books because, well, they're not Pantone accurate. However, they do for me what a Pantone book would do, provide me with a source of colors to kind of riff off of. And in design work, I think that this is a valuable resource. Free, except for the bolts required. And honestly, I think these things look pretty cool. They feel very me. And I think that's worth something on its own. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you liked this one. If you did, make sure you slap a like on it. If you didn't, let me know what you'd rather see down in the comments. Click right here if you want to support videos like this one on Patreon. And if you just want to see more stuff from the channel, make sure you subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Peace.